Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello to crush productivity. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. After that, log in using your email or Google account. Then click on your account icon in the top right corner. Over here, click on Create Workspace. Then enter the workspace name, select the workspace type, and add a description. After that, click on Continue. Over here, click on Invite with link to share it or enter email addresses and click Invite to Workspace. Then click on the plus icon beside your workspace to create a board. After that, enter a board name and click on Create. Then click on Add List and name your first list to do. After that, repeat the process to add in progress and finished lists. Then click on Add a card under the to-do list and name the card. After that, click on the card to open task details. Over here, add a description, click on members to assign teammates, and use labels to categorize. Then use checklists for subtasks and set due dates. After that, close any open menus when done. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.